channel. Today we are in a different surrounding. We're not in my flat. We are actually in Cornwall this week. So today's Sunday. Today's Sunday. We arrived last night and we went out for dinner and I had cod and it was delicious. But we didn't vlog because we were really tired. I was a little bit hungover. So I thought I'd start fresh today. Today's actually Father's Day. So happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. I hope you're having a nice day. I'm here with Tim and his family. I thought we would just vlog a little bit. I thought we'd focus a little bit more on what we're eating, and we're also going to try and get some exercise in this week. So I thought while I have an extra pair of hands, I would actually try and document the exercise that we do rather than just saying I'm going to go for a workout and then coming back. I'm going to try and get Tim to film a little bit of the workouts as well. Keep it interesting. Sprinkle a little bit of spice in there. We're gonna go for breakfast at the Blue Tomato. We're about to head out the door, so I thought I would just intro the vlog. Welcome to the Cornwall vlog. We've done one of these before, and let me show you my outfit and then we'll go. My outfits for this week are just gonna be a variation of this, basically. These jeans, I'll link them down below. I've been wearing them every single day because currently they're the only jeans that really fit me now, and they're so comfortable and they're unflattering, but in like a flattering way. You know what I mean. If you like to wear baggy clothes, you know what I mean. Then this top, I believe, was just from Nasty Gal or maybe Boohoo. I'll link it down below again. And then all my jewelry is Regal Rose. And then I'm gonna wear my Reeboks, got my little Adidas socks on, and that's the look. Let's go for lunch. The weather has actually been super weird this year. It's like raining then sunny then raining then sunny, which means there's like constant rainbows because the weather doesn't know what it's doing. It just started raining. It was super sunny this morning. Doesn't know whether it's coming or going. Speaking of coming or going, hurry up Tim, I'm really hungry.
Hi Emma, is it? Name's Tim. Good to meet you.
Look at Tim's new trousers.
Yeah, very cool.
Oh! In other news, I've also cracked my phone screen for the second time in like a month. I've never ever done it before, and then I do it twice in like 6 weeks. Pretty pissed. Not cool, man. I'm gonna do a little, do you remember 8Fit? If you've watched me for a long time, you'll know that I did a campaign with a company called 8Fit. This isn't sponsored. I wanted to do a little workout today, and 8Fit's good because they're like 10 minutes long, so I thought I would just do a quick little bit of summon, a little hit workout while Tim does some stretching because he's hurt his shoulder. So I also haven't shaved my armpits, so don't look too close. But I thought I would just do this and show you guys before Tim's parents get back and laugh at me. I'm just going to change my top so that I don't sweat on this one. I've done nothing today. We've actually sat in bed most of the day because neither of us are feeling very well, so we're now going out for dinner. I have not spoken to you all day. We just went to a little village. Now we're about to go on a boat ride. he's brushing his teeth. We're going to attempt our longest run yet. How far? 7? 8? 8 kilometres. Hello everybody. We are walking to Padstow? No,
Rock.
We're walking to
Ferry.
Okay, we're walking to Rock. We're gonna get the ferry to Padstow. Then we're gonna run. Hopefully, we're gonna go over the distance of 9k, and we're gonna run as much of it as we possibly can, and just push ourselves as hard as we can, because we've never run more than 5. So we just want to see how far we can do. And I'm really excited. I'm really looking forward to it, and I'm hoping to run 7. That's my goal.
Yes.
To try and run 7.
Easy.
Easy. Because we've got less than 5 weeks now till the 10k. And it's going to be great. But we're taking a scenic route. We did it 8 kilometers. The first time I've ever run 8k. And we didn't stop. It was a slow one. It took us an hour to run 8k, but we did it. Good morning, everybody. We didn't speak to you yesterday, but we managed to run 8 kilometers, which is 3 kilometers further than I've ever run before. It was the same pace that we ran the first 5k in. So I don't think that's too bad. It's just
you can do the 5k faster.
Yeah, so we've got a 5k on Saturday, so I'm gonna sprint it. Tim and I are going to a spin class, and then we're gonna go for a swim, and then I'm getting a facial, so it's a nice day for me. I'm breaking out. My face is rejecting me, disobeying me, it's disrespecting me, and I need to put it back in its place. But let me show you this bunny. I don't want to scare it. My face is feeling so good. I'm in my comfies and we're gonna go for some lunchies. Hello everyone. We didn't film anything yesterday, but we went for a spin class, and then we went for a swim, and then I got a facial, and then I burnt my face, so I've just undone all the good stuff that has been done to my face recently. But now we're gonna go to the gym, and I'm gonna get Tim to film a few things. My camera is probably gonna die any second, which is great, but I'll try and get him to film a couple of each set. Let's go. Everyone, it's Friday and we're heading home. I'm nice and sweaty because we just went to the gym, and I filmed a few clips for you guys because you keep asking me to film in the gym. But don't judge me on my form, don't judge me on my faces, don't judge me on my technique, because I'm not a pro. I try and I get sweat on and I burn, so something's working. But I think I'm actually going to end this vlog here. All we're going to be doing today is sitting in a car for 7 hours, so nothing exciting to document here. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Tim, do you have anything to say?
Thanks for watching, you know, and just keep on going. Thanks.
What a meme. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Adios.
Adios, amigos.